If your TV turns on but, the screen is completely black, don't panic. In most cases, you can actually fix this yourself. No technician needed, no expensive repair bills, just some simple, step-by-step troubleshooting. So, let's start with the fastest fixes, and, move toward the real hardware causes if we need to. Before opening anything up, let's rule out the simple issues first. Number 1, power reset, the correct way. Unplug your TV from the wall, now press and hold the physical power button on the TV, not the remote, for 15 seconds. Release the power button and then wait 5 minutes. Now, plug it directly into the wall, not into a surge protector or smart plug, then, turn it back on. This drains leftover electricity and honestly, fixes a lot of software glitches instantly. Number 2, remove HDMI and external devices. Disconnect all HDMI cables, USB drives, streaming devices, and gaming consoles. Sometimes another device just freezes up and, forces the screen black, so turn the TV on with nothing connected. Number 3, check for standby light behavior. Take a look at the front LED. No light at all? That points to a possible power board issue. If you see a flashing red light, it's likely a mainboard issue. If the light is on and the TV responds to the remote, move on to the flashlight test. Okay, so first, turn the TV on. Then, just grab your phone and use its flashlight, shine it really close to the screen, at an angle. Now look carefully, what you see here kind of determines everything. If you spot faint images or maybe menu outlines, that means the picture is actually working. But the backlight is dead. This is what we call a backlight LED failure. This is the most common black screen issue, usually repairable. If the screen lights up slightly, but no image, no menu, just a blank gray or black glow, most likely, this points to a T-Con board failure, or a mainboard failure. The backlight works, but the signal isn't reaching the display panel. This is an internal signal processing failure, often repairable. Next most common issue. If one side is black, one side shows image or you see vertical lines, most likely a T-Con board problem. This board controls how the image is distributed across the panel, usually cheaper than replacing the entire TV. Next, if there is no lights, no sound, no response, most likely the issue is power board failure. This board supplies electricity to the entire TV, often happens after voltage spikes. If you see physical cracks, large black spreading patches, internal bleeding effect, it points toward panel damage. This is usually not worth repairing. Most black screen problems are actually fixable. The real trick is figuring out exactly which internal part has failed before you spend any money. That way, you can make a confident decision about whether to repair or replace it.